Today we're going to determine the restoring forces of these three springs. One is a heavy spring, a medium spring, and a light spring. Setting up is simple and is as follows. You have a meter scale with a hook on the top and a hole in the center of the scale. You pass a nut through the hole and attach a clamp at the rear. After tightening, attach the clamp to the retort stand such that the scale rests onto the tabletop. This is the side view and it looks like this. Starting with the heavy spring, which is attached to the hook of the scale, and the bottom of the spring is a pointer, and below that a hanger is attached to hang the weights. The pointer has to be aligned to the scale, and kindly note down this reading. In this particular case, the reading shows to be equal to 16.3. We're going to attach 50 grams onto the hanger and note down this reading. There would have been a slight increase, so please note down this reading and write it down against the 50 grams. We're going to add another 50 grams for a total of 100 grams. Observe the displacement and record this reading as reading 1 in your data table. This is for the 100 grams. We're going to attach another 150 grams for a total of 150 grams. Observe and record this reading. Another 50 grams added for a total of 200 grams. Observe and record this reading. Finally, we're adding another 50 grams for a total of 250 grams and observe and record this reading as well. We're going to remove of 50 grams for a total of 200 grams now. Observe and record this reading. Another 50 grams is removed and you're going to observe this reading and record it as reading 2. This is reading 2 for 100 grams. And finally, this is the initial reading. We're going to replace the spring with a medium spring, and a hanger is attached as is normally done. Look at the pointer and observe the initial reading. The pointer needs to be aligned to the scale. We're going to add 50 grams. Observe and record this reading for 50 grams in medium scale, medium spring, and as in reading 1. $50 plus another 50 for a total of 100 grams. Observe and record this reading. Another 50 grams added for a total of 150 grams. Observe and record this reading. Kindly pause the video if necessary. $50 plus for a total of 200. Kindly record this reading. Another 50 for a total of 250 grams. Observe and record this reading. Now for readings 2. We will remove 50 grams in a reverse order and observe readings as reading 2 for the medium scales. This is for reading 2 and 100 grams. This is reading 2 is in the reverse order. Readings 1 and 2 will be averaged. And finally, this is the empty the spring and the load hanger, or the initial reading. Finally, for the third spring, it is a light spring. We attach the spring, we attach the load hanger, observe the reading, the initial reading for the light spring. We are going to add 50 grams. The displacement is quite significant for the light spring. Observe and record this reading. We're going to add another 50 for a total of 100 grams. Observe and record this reading. Finally, another 50 grams for a total of 150 grams. This will be the final weight for this spring which will be added. Observe and record this reading. Now for reading 2 in the reverse order. We will remove the 50 grams for 100 grams reading 2. This will proceed until we go back to the initial weight of spring and load hanger only. Kindly note that reading 1 and reading 2 has to be averaged for determining the displacement. Thank you.